About this item: introducing, new Rebel Series DSLR camera, Canon EOS Rebel T7, predecessor to Canon EOS Rebel T6 with 24.1 MP vs 18 MP. Bigger JPEG and RAW buffer which gives you speed with the image formats. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor, 3.0920K LCD monitor, Full HD 1080/30p video recording, 9.0 AF with center cross type point, ISO 100/6400, up to 3 FPS shooting, built-in Wi-Fi with NFC, Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Creative Filters and Creative Auto Modes, Seller Warranty. Canon FS18 to 55mm IS2 lens with FS mount lens, 29 to 88mm, 35mm equivalent. Aperture range, f/3.538, 1 aspherical element, optical image stabilization, stepping motor, internal focusing system, supports movie servo AF feature in the box, LPE10 lithium-ion battery pack, LCE10 battery charger for EOS Rebel T3, T5, T6, T7, iCup F for digital Rebel cameras, body cap for Canon EOS cameras, neck strap in the bundle, Sandisk 32GB SDHC Class 10 memory card, digital flashlight, USB card reader, remote control, professional tripod, 2.2x telephoto lens, 0.43x.